Today we have a kitchen sink. Spark, create, and imagine. Yeah. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
All right, let's figure this out. Hold on, Mommy will do the scissors.
I'll do the scissors.
Let me help you.
Wow.
Wow.
So cool.
Yeah.
Ooh.
All right, let's turn it around.
Wow. You got a robot here.
Okay, let's make a cut here.
Good.
Let me cut here. Very good. Okay, let's see what we have here. Bubbles. What color are the bubbles? What color are the bubbles? Very good. Oh, how many plates is that? Very good. How many cups do we have? 1, 2. Very good. Knife. There's one knife and 2 knives. 1, 2. How many forks? Very good. And how many spoons? Very good. Looks like we have some type of bowl. 1, 2. What are those? What are these? Cups. 1, 2. Last but not least, we have plates, big plates. Awesome. Okay, so let's put the colors together. Can you put all the yellow colors here? Put everything that's yellow here. Good job. And let's do green right here. What color is this?
Pink.
So where should the pink go?
Right there.
Very good.
Oh, the bubbles. I got questions. Bubbles.
Where should the bubbles go? Where should the bubbles go? Maybe right there? No? Okay. Okay, good job. And what about the blue cup? Where should the blue cup go?
Right there.
Good. And what about the pink knife?
Right there.
Good job. Alrighty. So what color do we have here?
Blue.
Awesome. And what color do we have here?
Orange.
Very good. And what color do we have here?
Yellow.
Awesome. And what color do we have here?
Green.
Very good.
This is.
Now, let's put the sink together.
Yay!
Yay!
The bubbles?
Yep, we have the bubbles.
Oh no, my bubbles.
All right.
My
So
bubbles.
this is our sink. All right.
Oh, wait.
So, is it working?
No,
Oh no, it's not working.
it's not working, Dad.
It's not working. What do you think we should do? Should we call Handyman JoJo?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you call Handyman JoJo?
Okay.
Let's see.
sink today?
Hello, Joe. You think you're this?
Oh no, your sink is broken. I'll be right on it. Bring it over to my shop.
Okay.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hello, this is Handyman Joe. Is this Lonnie?
Hello, Joe.
Your sink is finished.
Okay.
I'll bring it right to you. Hey Lonnie, here's your sink.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Handyman Joe. Let's see if it works, Lonnie. It works! Yay! Can we tell Handyman Joe thank you? Thank you, Handyman Joe.
You're welcome.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Awesome, Lonnie. So let's wash the pink dishes.
Okay. Go.
Yeah, pink cup. Woo! We have a pink plate and a pink cup. Okay, let's let them dry. You need the bubbles. Yes, we do need bubbles. Green bubbles. Can you add them in? You can do it. You did it? Wow, I like this.
We do.
All right. Are you ready to try the green dishes?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put the pink dishes over here to dry, okay?
No, put right here.
Can you put the pink dishes over here to dry?
No.
And then we can add the green dishes in. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's clean the yellow dishes. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't drink sink water. Okay, let's let those dry. And then last but not least, my favorite color, blue. Washing that last one out. Very good. Okay. Now we have 1 blue dish, 2 blue dishes, and 3 blue dishes. Now we can wash them all together, one big rainbow.
This one running. This one's spinning. Go back there. Down. Let's press. Let's press. one green. This 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 one green.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. We're gonna play a little more. Have a good day.